This is where the boost gauge is gonna go. It's gonna go up here like this. Guys, it's done now. This is what it's looking like. On YouTube is 24/7 Boost, and I'm back at again with another video. And today's video is, man, boost gauge. I've already unpacked it and all that, but I'm gonna put a little boost gauge in the car. I don't know what I'm doing right now, so let's hope for the best. This is where the boost gauge is gonna go. It's gonna go up here like this. You know, I think that's quite a good spot to put it. And let's just see how it goes, innit? With some extra vacuum lines to try and run it through. I got this thing right here. I tried to wire it in my house and like power it up, but nothing happened. So trying to install it, but I'm back, man. I'm back to the grind. I know I always say it, but I've been slacking lately. But it's because I've been working. But I've got a surprise coming for you at the end of the month. Keep tuned. So now I'm connecting the wires that need to connect to each other and just wrapping it around in electrical tape. And yeah, guys, it's done now. This is what it's looking like. There you go, there's the boost gauge. I'm gonna get some clips of the boost gauge in action. And yeah, man, but yeah, that's the boost gauge. It works. I've tapped it off of the 12 volt from here. Jim Bay. Down here, you can see, and it goes all the way back around there, all the way back, and it goes up into there, down there. I don't think you can see it, and it goes all the way down the grommet thing down there. And yeah, in the car now, it's all wired in up here. You might be able to see the pipes, maybe, and all around there. And then that's the finishing result. Right, guys, this is the boost gauge working. Right now because of the sun. Yeah, you can't see it at all, is it? I don't know why the phone can't pick that up.
You are over the speed limit.
Yeah, I can see it working.
Over the speed limit.
I'm in breakfast when I go inside.
Get that bag, get bro.